Hello, welcome to Waypoint Survival. Today, I want to show you how I pack the hacks. Stay tuned. So I've spent several weeks now showing you some great hacks for your Stanley 2-Cup Cookset. And the big question that I'm sure a lot of people have is, how do you pack all that stuff into a kit that you can carry? Because it really does seem like a whole lot of things, and it is. And so right now I'm going to show you how I pack all the hacks. So here are all the hacks that I have showed you. They're all lined out on the table, and you're familiar with them if you've been watching the videos, but I'll just get a little closer here. You can get an idea of what all we have. All right, let's show you how to pack them. So first, I take the stainless steel cup, put the scrubby in the bottom, and then arrange the coffee press set in the bottom of that. Set that aside. We take a pot and we slide the cooking ring on for the frying pan. And we slide that ring all the way up to this indent, just like that. Then we take our cozy, we squeeze it on very gently, and then just as I showed you before, we take the silicone cup, we fold it in just like that, side to side, and then it goes underneath in this little pocket that we've created, the bottom of the cozy. Next, on the inside, we take one of our cups, and you remember this option, the bottle, and we squeeze extra air out of this, we collapse it a little bit, and then we put it upside down like this, side of one of the green cups, and it goes inside like that. We take our strainer that we used and we push the bottom up till it dimples in like that, and then that fits on top just like this, and then install the lid. The next two items that we need to put on are the spoon and the oven plate, and we have to do this simultaneously. So what I like to do is I like to set our bail handle right where the two front ears of this handle come together so that this will hold it down. So we go ahead and kind of get that going, and while we're putting this in, we put the oven plate in the front just like this and hold it tight, and then the spoon goes toward the back just like this, and then we firmly press everything down and together just like that. And there we have our kit. Make sure everything is pushed down as far as you can, and ideally you want the stove, the oven option here down below the lip of the rim, just like this. The spoon can stick up a little bit, that's not a big deal. Then of course, our stove, we put the plate in first, fire kit, install the speed ring, twist that shut, and then our other green cup, we put the lid on it, press it to fit, and it goes inside of the Simple Theory Gear stove like that. And then we're going to keep it inside of the black bag because it's going to have a lot of soot on it. Next, you're going to want to get one of these Pathfinder bottle bags. This is the Gen 3. This is the large size that will hold the 64-ounce bottle and the 48-ounce cup. And we open it up, and in the very bottom we put our lid. This is the very first hack that I showed you. It goes all the way in the bottom. The next thing we pack is the stove kit. It goes down inside all the way to the bottom. And then on this outer pocket here, open it up, and in it goes the oven bag for our solar oven. We push it down to the bottom, and then also our two clips and the oven thermometer, and that goes inside there. We zip it up. On the very top, we install this, slide it on top of the cups, Put the lid over the top. It is a tight fit, but there is plenty of room. And then we zip it shut. And just like that, we have the entire kit, with the exception of the solar shade, which we also use, of course, for a sleeping mat. We now have all of our hacks in one spot. Let me show you what it looks like on a backpack. So here we have the bottle bag fastened securely on the side of just a simple rucksack. We take our sleeping mat, which is also the window car shade, which we use for our solar oven. We slide it inside here, and then once we get that inside, then we simply just zip it up. And now we have a wonderful lightweight backpack, rucksack with our kit completely inside. So here it is, we're all packed up. Kit's loaded on, and we're ready to get out in the woods and have a great time with the Stanley 2 Cup Cook Set. Thank you so much for all your views, for all the kind comments, and all your support. Before I close out this video, I want to remind all of you that I do teach classes here at the Waypoint Survival School. And if you're interested in more information on that, make sure and check out the link in the description box below to www.waypointsurvival.com. Thanks a lot. This is James Bender for Waypoint Survival. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure and check out the links in the description box below. And while you're down there, make sure and check out the merchandise shelf, which is just below the description box. There you can purchase great Waypoint Survival merchandise, which helps to support the channel and all the research that we do to bring you great content. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And when you do subscribe, make sure and press that bell button so that you can stay notified of all of our upcoming videos, and we'll talk to you next time.